What'd you get, Fafer?
What is it?
From Mama.
Right. You got a puzzle.
Those are yours from Nana and Papa?
Puzzle.
Yes, Lydia. You're way faster than Lydia. Or Fafer. What'd you get? Let me see. Hold it up for Papa. You got a game.
Right.
Open some more.
Open some more.
It's called Connect 4. You got to connect 4 colors together.
Is that, wait a minute. Is that Lydia?
Right? It's on. Her name's on it. That's Faith. Okay,
Open
keep
it up.
going.
Hurry up. I want to see what you got. Woo-hoo.
Betsy's getting at it now. That goes to your doll. That's an outfit for your doll.
Look at that. You're going to be up all night playing with your dolls. You get it, Fafer?
No.
Fafer takes forever to open her gifts.
I don't know what. Whoa, I hope he'll be there by my bike.
All right. What'd you get? Are you sure? All right.
Pillow.
I like it.
And the play.
It's a shirt.
Yeah.
It's a hoodie.
Sure.
What is that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Is it real? Oh wow.
Got a camera?
Woo-wee, Betsy, you can take pictures with after Santa comes tomorrow. Is that all trash? You still got some more? What'd you get?
All right.
You
What'd you get?
got an outfit for your doll, Fafer.
All right.
Good.
Good.
That goes to your big doll. No, don't open it.
Don't open
You got more gifts to open. Come on.
it. Here, give it to Nana.
Give it to Nana. Go put it with your doll.
Yeah. That's a pretty.
Oh, yeah. Look at that one. I like that one. Open it up. Look what it says. Dance and it has ballet. Go hold it up for Papa. I thought you liked that. Yes, it is. And it's got ballet slippers on it.
It's got dance.
I got slippers.
You got slippers?
Yeah.
You did? I think that's a game. It's memory. It's Dora. Oh, wow.
All right, give it to Nana. Go back and open some more.